So thank you all for coming along.
He whakakotahi I te kanikani me te hākinakina.
My motto, or my kianga, is movement, music and connection. So we want to move, we want to do it to music that we actually like, and we want to connect with like-minded whānau.
Cross it over. Bring it back.
Ko Xtreme Hip Hop nā kōwhai tētahi kaupapa whakapakaritinana mō ngā wāhine Māori ki o tautahi. Koinei te marama tuatoru kua tua Kōwhai Te Kira hei kaiako o te kaupapa nei, he kai ngā kauia I tēnei mahi.
The wāhine behind me are why I do it. My sister actually was on her own hauora journey. I became an instructor last year, and when she started on her journey, she encouraged me to start up fitness classes.
I'll step it out. I'll step it out.
Every time we have a class, it's heaps of fun, and I love hanging out with our wāhine.
I tīmata tēnei kaupapa hākinakina I te taurua mano te kaumātoru ki Amerika. Ko te kira tētahi o ngā kaiako toko toru o te kaupapa nei.
I found Xtreme Hip Hop when it was lockdown, bored scrolling through Facebook, and I've seen these meme videos. I love the energy, I love the vibe, and I love the music.
E ai ki tētahi o ngā tauira, kia Sarah Siau, he painga nui I puta I ngā mahi a te kira.
It doesn't matter the backgrounds you come from. She's always about whānau and hauora and keeping us all fit and stuff like that. And obviously she shows for it because she's very fit and vibey. You know, it's just her energy that she brings to the classes. I used to struggle with a lot of mental health, but it changes your mindset every time you come. So I'm always having a crap day on a Friday, and she's always like, Step's gonna make you feel better. And I'm like, yeah, okay. And it always does. It always does make me feel better. It's sweaty, but it makes me feel better.
E whakaako ana te kira I ngā kraihe hapori e rua I wiki I te taha rāwhiti o tautahi. Hora Kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo